Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I did a salad bar in my refrigerator. I saw this idea in YouTube and I loved it. So basically we're going to cut all the salad ingredients and a little bit more to have it ready to go so it's easy to grab as a quick lunch or as a quick snack. And it also saves us time when we're preparing meals. These set of containers, I got it from Amazon. Here you can see a little haul of everything I bought to start. I started with small amounts because I didn't want a lot of leftover. I wanted to see how it went. So first I started with a wash spring mix. And I added a paper towel so it can absorb some of the moisture to keep it crisp longer. My favorite kind of salad is the Greek salad, so I have to have feta cheese. And I'm using my label maker to add all the expiration dates. Bacon bits, and they're already pre-cooked. Almonds as a source of protein. Shredded cheese. Cherry tomatoes, and please excuse how I cut. I'm not a professional, so I start cutting one way and then I discover how to cut another way. One step that I thought of doing to preserve things better is to add salt and lemon. I liked how it tasted with the lemon, but for the next time I restocked the salad bar, I added olive oil instead of lemon because the lemon with the time, if you leave it a lot of days, it becomes acid. Then I'm adding now boiled eggs. So the first time I bought them already boiled because I was in a hurry, but for the second time I restocked, I made them. Mini cucumbers. Red onions. This is great to add for salad or when I'm cooking. Cooked ham. That day I was doing tacos, so I thought I'd prepare my easy pico de gallo recipe. So basically it's onions, tomatoes, cilantro, salt, pepper, and olive oil and lemon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. It helps a lot so my channel can grow. You can drink. Peppers. Black olives. This is how it turned out. I've been using this system for about 2 to 3 weeks, and the things I have to change weekly are usually the spring mix, the ham, the onions, tomatoes, and cucumbers. The rest, they usually last for a few weeks. I have noticed that they last longer and taste better with the olive oil instead of the lemon. Something else I like is that you can change these items around depending on what you want to eat. So for example, instead of ham, I can do a tuna to do like a tuna salad. I can do shredded chicken. So you can change your toppings depending on what you want to eat that week. Another project that I wanted to do for a long time, it was to change all my toppings and sauces in like clear containers that I could see how much I have left and that they all look uniform. These clear containers, I got them from Walmart, but I will link some below from Amazon. Don't forget to put the expiration date for all your items. I hope you like how this turned out, and I hope you try the salad bar. It was a very easy and affordable idea. Thank you for watching.